Assalamu alaikum students, I hope you all are doing good. Today I am here to explain the lecture 5 of business and technical writing. Today our topic is application writing, how you can write application writing. In the domain of technical and business writing, written communication serves a formal and permanent record of professional interactions. Among the many forms of professional writing, application writing holds a significant place. It is widely used in educational institutions, corporate organizations, and government offices because it helps you to do many common forms. Application writings and leave application and complaint application both require clarity, professionalism, and a structured approach. While leave applications are used to request permission for absence, complaint applications are used to formally report problems and seek resolutions. This lecture explores the concept of application writing in detail, focusing on its definitions, characteristics, structure, and practical guidelines for writing effective leave and complaint explanation application in writing and business skills. Definition of application writing. Application writing refers to the formal process of composing written requests or statements addressed to an authority, organization, or individual. In technical and business environment, application writing is not merely about expressing a request, it is about pressing or presenting information logically, maintaining professionalism and ensuring that the message is understood and acted upon effectively. Applications are typically concise but informative, avoiding unnecessary details while including all relevant information. First of all, let's talk about the importance of application writing in technical and business contexts. Application writing plays a crucial role in professional communication. It helps maintain discipline, ensures proper documentation, and facilitates smooth organizational functioning. In business and technical field, applications are used for various purposes such as requesting leave, reporting technical issues, filing complaints, seeking approvals, or communicating operational concerns. A well-written application reflects the writer's professionalism, attention to detail, and communication skills. Moreover, applications serve as official records that can be referred to in the future. Therefore, accuracy, clarity, and completeness are quite necessary. Now let's talk about the general principles and effectiveness in application writing. Before discussing leave and complaint application, it is important to understand the general principles that apply to all forms of application writing. A good application must be clear, concise, and purposeful. The language should be simple and formal, avoiding slang, abbreviation, or overly complex vocabulary. Organization is another key aspect. The application should follow a logical sequence, starting with the purpose, followed by relevant details, and ending with the proper conclusion. Accuracy is equally important, especially in technical and business contexts where incorrect information can lead to misunderstanding or delays. Structure of an application. Although the content may vary depending on the purpose, most applications follow a standard format. Now, the format is sender's address, date, receiver's address, subject line, salutation, body of application, closing statement, and signature and name. Finally, each part plays an important role in ensuring clarity and professionalism. The subject line is particularly important in a business communication as it quickly informs the readers about the purpose of the application. Now let's move towards the leave application. What is the concept and the purpose of leave application? A leave application is formal request. In technical and business environment, leave application help maintain workflow, planning, resource allocation, and accountability. Leave applications are not merely requests, they are professional communications that demonstrate responsibility and respect for organizational procedures. Types of application, leave application. Leave application can differ depending on the situation. Some of the common types include sick leave, casual leaves, annual leaves, emergency leaves, maternity or paternity leave. Each type may require specific details, but the overall structure remains similar. Key elements of a leave application is: a well-written leave application should clearly state the reason for leave, the duration, and any necessary supporting information. In technical and business contexts, it is also important to mention how responsibilities will be managed during the absence. Clarity and honesty are essential. Providing vague or incomplete information may lead to rejection or delays. Writing style for leave application. The language used in leave application should be formal and polite. The writer should avoid emotional or overly personal expressions. Instead of, the writer should focus on factual and relevant information. For example, instead of writing lengthy explanation, the writer should clearly mention the reason and duration of leave in a straightforward manner. Sample of application. To understand the practical application, consider the following example. I am writing to request leave for 10th April to 15th April due to a medical condition that requires rest and treatment. During my absence, I will ensure that my ongoing tasks are managed and handed over appropriately to my colleagues. I kindly request to improve or approve my leave for the mentioned period. This example demonstrates clarity, professionalism, and completeness. Complaint application writing. Now let's move towards the complaint application. A complaint application is a formal document used to report a problem, issue, or dissatisfaction. So complaint writing is particularly important in technical fields where errors, malfunctions, or insufficiencies can affect productivity and safety. Nature of complaint writing. Unlike casual complaints, formal complaints application must be objective, precise, and solution oriented. The purpose is not to express anger but to communicate a problem clearly and request appropriate action. In business communication, maintaining a professionalism is critical even when the issue is serious. The key elements of complaint applications are: a complaint application must include a clear description of the issue, relevant details such as dates, locations, or reference number, the impact of problem, a polite request for resolution, providing evidence or supporting details strengthens the application and increase the chances of timely response. Now let's talk about the writing style of the complaint application. The tone should remain formal, respectful, and neutral. Avoid blaming language or emotional expressions. Instead, focus on the facts and constructive communication. For example, instead of accusing someone directly, the writer should describe the issue and its effect in professional manner. So, I will also now share the sample of complaint application. Consider the following example. I am writing to bring your attention a technical issue with the software system that has been affecting daily operation since 5th March. The system frequently crashes during data processing, resulting in delays and loss of productivity. I request the technical team investigate this issue and provide a solution at the earliest convenience. This example highlights clarity, professionalism, and a focus on resolution. Now, let's talk about the difference between leave and complaint application. Although both forms of application writing serve different purpose and require different approaches. A leave application is request for permission, while a complaint application is report of problem. The tone of leave application is generally straightforward and informative, whereas a complaint application requires careful wording to maintain professionalism while addressing an issue. In technical and business writing, understanding these differences is essential for effective communication. Now let's talk about some of the common mistakes in application writing. Many individuals make errors that reduce the effectiveness of their application. In technical and business contexts, such mistakes can lead to misunderstandings, delays, or even rejections of the application. Another common issue is the absence of clear subject line or proper structure, which makes the application difficult to understand. Strategies to improve application writing skills. Improving application writing requires practice and attention to detail. Reading professional documents, analyzing sample applications, and practice writing regularly can help develop these writing skills. Writers should also focus on grammar, vocabulary, and formatting. Using templates can be helpful, especially in business environments where consistency is very important. Now let's move towards the role of technology in application writing. In modern workplaces, application writing is often done through emails or digital platforms. This requires additional attention to the formatting and subject lines and tones. Technical professionals must also be familiar with writing application in digital formats, ensuring clarity and professionalism in electronic communication. So, to sum up, application writing is a vital component in technical and business communication as it enables individuals to formally request leave, report issues, and maintain professional relationships within organization. So, this was all from my side for today. Hope to meet you again. Allah Hafiz students.